namhlanje usuku lami lokuzalwa. I'm turning my mother's age. So my mother passed on at this age. So today I just decided to on my birthday ngizoyihlalela nje endlini yami, umndeni wami, family. Just sit down and ngireflectela ngentwana yakamasho. You know, ngiphuza itiye. Engalifundisa ukuphuza ugogo uMayoni Sarafina Matita. Ntwana yakamasho. I want to say thank you. I say thank you to everyone on wishing a happy birthday. You know, I have read all your messages, all my messages that you guys have sent on my post about the one lang boy koni wash the little bizayo. Yabo? Iroli. Johanna. I say look shit. I've read all those messages. I've read all of them. I think I even went to my my wife's page and also read all the messages that you guys have sent on their page too. I really feel the love. Ngiyabonga uthando eninginika lona, and I wish you guys can spread this love to each and everyone. Yabona? Thatha luthando, the love that you guys have just shown me, I wish you can show it to people who are less fortunate than I am. People who are sick, who are not well, you know. To spread the love, I think we need it the most in South Africa currently. Spread the love. With today, and I just want to say, continue living your life with pure intention. Because in celebrating of Ntwana Kamasho is expanding, happy birthday to me. Izinja.